In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open Bill.com account. If you are setting up Bill.com for the first time, this quick walkthrough will help you complete the sign up smoothly so you can get to your dashboard and start managing billing and approvals. To begin, you will go to the Bill.com sign up page. On your screen, you should see a page that invites you to create a new account. Make sure you are on the official Bill.com website and that the page is clearly showing the sign up or registration option. This matters because it ensures you are entering your information into the correct place. Next, you will click the Get Started or Sign Up button. On most homepage layouts, this button is located in the top right corner. Take a moment to look at the top area of the page where the main call to action usually appears. When you click it, it should take you to the registration form where you can enter your business details. If you do not see the button right away, scroll slightly or look for similar wording like Sign Up, Get Started, or Create Account. Now that you are on the sign-up form, you will provide your business name, email address, and contact information. You will likely see separate fields for each item. As you fill these out, double-check spelling and formatting. A business name should match what you use officially for your organization. For contact details, it is important to use information you can access easily, since you may need it for account verification or future communication. After that, you will input your business information as requested. The form may ask for items such as your industry, your company size, and a billing address. For the industry and company size, select the options that best describe your business. These fields help tailor the setup and improve how the account is configured. For the billing address, enter it carefully, including the correct street, city, state, and postal code. If there are separate lines for each part of the address, follow the form exactly so your details are accurate. Once all the required fields are completed, you will click Get Started. This is the point where the registration process begins and your account is created. Before you click, take a brief second to scan through what you entered. Confirm that the business name looks correct, the contact information is complete, and the billing address does not have any obvious typos. Then proceed by selecting the Get Started option. After you click Get Started, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. The dashboard is where you will manage your account and access key features. Depending on your setup, you may see a welcome screen, setup prompts, or a quick guide. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation areas on the dashboard. Look for sections that relate to invoices, payments, approvals, and settings. If you see onboarding steps, follow them in order, since they often help you connect additional details and get organized faster. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.